Welcome to another episode of Bird Wonders. Today, we're diving into the world of the magnificent red cardinal. This striking bird is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for the ears with its melodious songs. The red cardinal is easily recognizable by its vibrant red plumage and distinctive crest. Males are particularly bright, making them stand out against the greenery. Notice the bold black mask around the face, which adds to the cardinal's striking appearance. Cardinals are primarily seed eaters, but they also enjoy insects and fruits. Watch as this cardinal skillfully forages for food. Their strong beaks are perfect for cracking open seeds, and they are often seen at bird feeders, bringing a splash of color to backyards across North America. Did you know that female cardinals are equally beautiful, though more subdued in color? Their feathers are brownish with hints of red, providing excellent camouflage. Cardinals are also known for their strong pair bonds. Both males and females participate in building nests and caring for their young. These birds are a true symbol of the wild beauty in our forests and gardens. They play a crucial role in spreading seeds and supporting their ecosystems. Thank you for joining us in exploring the life of the red cardinal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife adventures.